Hey guys, if you're experiencing an issue with your Philips TV where one side of the screen is black or darker than the other, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. Now I'll be showing you this on a Philips television, but this should work on all models of TVs. And the first thing we're going to do is perform what's known as a power cycle. So to do this, we just come round to the back of your television and you need to locate the power cord that runs from your TV to the wall socket. And we're simply going to unplug this from the wall here. And you'll need to leave this unplugged for around about 15 seconds. Whilst this is unplugged, head round to the front of the television and then locate the power button, which is usually on either the sides or the back of the TV. And you need to hold down this power button for, again, around about 15 seconds. This is going to drain any residual power that might be left in the TV. And then we can come round to the back of the TV and we're going to re-plug the power into the wall. So you can then try firing up the television and check to see if that's now fixed it. Otherwise, what we're going to do is head back round to the back of the television and you're just going to disconnect any HDMI connections we currently have going through here. So you can see down here on my television, this is where all of my HDMI ports are located. So you just want to go through each of these and remove anything that you have connected. Sometimes what can happen is if you have a faulty HDMI connection, it could cause this half screen issue. So just go ahead and disconnect all of these and once again check to see if that's now working. Now if that's not solved it, what we're going to do is just come round to your TV remote control and you're going to power on your television and we need to bring up the settings menu on your TV. So to do this on my particular model of television, you just need to press the home button located in the middle here. Then we're going to use the directional arrow keys to come up to settings and then come down and head all the way across to all settings and press OK. Once you're inside of the settings menu, we want to scroll all the way down to update software. Now sometimes this can also be located in the general section, just really depends on your model of television. So we're going to come across and press search for updates, select internet and then press start now. And this will just scan for any outdated software on our TV. And if there are any pending updates inside of here, then just go ahead and update that firmware now. Then we can close out of this menu, come back over to the settings menu by bringing up the home screen again, head over to settings and then come all the way across to all settings, click OK. Now what we're going to do is come down to general settings and come all the way down to factory settings and press OK. Then come across and select OK, and like it says on the screen, this will reset all of your picture and sound settings for your television. So again, this can sometimes also fix the issue. And if you have tried all of these steps and that still hasn't solved it, then there's likely an issue with the backlight inside of your TV. Now, this isn't something you should really attempt to repair at home unless you know what you're doing. But sometimes if it's just as simple as a loose connection, then some people have reported that just bashing kind of the back of the television will sometimes fix this issue if it's a loose connection. Now, I'm not encouraging you to stop bashing around your television, but sometimes doing this can, strangely enough, kind of seem to fix it. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.